Welcome students, this is Chandan Singh Negi. In previous sessions, we solved the general solution of sin x. We solved this as sin x is equal to sin y and x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to power n. This is y. Here, whenever we solve such type of problems, and y must be the principal value. That is principal value, and which is first, which is first. Example, if I have a sin x is equal to 1 by 2, and we know that the principal value, is equal to x is equal to, we have this is 30 degree and that is 150 degree. When we if we find the general solution, it is like this one. This is sin x is equal to sin 30 degree and sin x is equal to sin 150 degree and dot 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 so on. But in general solution, we have to put the value of x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 power n. The y must be 30 degree. It is 30 degree. Y is 30 degree. We cannot put the y is equal to 150 degree, because if I put the y is equal to 150 degree, then 30 degree will be left forever. So that's why in the first revolutions, whatever value comes first, we have to put the value of that particular angle. So this is equal to n pi plus minus 1 power n pi by 6. This is x. This is called general solution of trigonometric ratio. Now I'm going to solve for the cos x. The second is the cos x is equal to cos y. Then general solution for the cos x, we put this is cos x is equal to cos y is equal to 0, and cos c minus cos d, this is equal to minus 2 sin c plus d upon 2, and sin, this is c minus d upon 2 is equal to 0. So minus 2 is not equal to 0. So this implies that sin x plus y upon 2 is equal to 0. That is sin x plus y upon 2 is equal to sin n pi, and x plus y upon 2 is equal to n pi. So this implies that x plus y is equal to 2n pi, and then x is equal to 2n pi minus y. That is the first equation. And or the second part, then sin x minus y upon 2 is equal to 0. So this implies that sin x minus y upon 2 is equal to sin n pi, and this implies that this is x minus y upon 2 is equal to n pi, and cross multiply, this is x minus y is equal to 2n pi, and x is equal to 2n pi plus y. That is the second. So we have the two solutions. First is x is equal to 2n pi minus y, and second is x is equal to 2n pi plus y. If you combine these both, what we get? This is 2n pi is plus and minus y. The plus and minus y. That is the solution, and that is the general solution of the cos x for the cos x, right? And further you can solve the third part. The tan x is equal to tan y, and you can put this as sin x upon cos x is equal to sin y upon cos y, and multiply, this is sin x cos y is equal to cos x sin y. Left side, this is transfer this one, sin x cos y minus cos x sin y is equal to 0. I just check this one. This is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So this is sine x minus y is equal to 0. So that is sine x minus y is equal to sine n pi, and x minus y is equal to n pi. X is equal to n pi plus y. So that is the general solution for, that is 10x is equal to y. And further you can sort out the cot x, that is cot x is equal to cos x upon this is cot x is equal to cot y. You can solve yourself. And the second x is equal to 1 upon cos x, you can solve it yourself. It is basically that is the same as the cos x. You can change the cos sec x, that this is second x into is equal to 1 upon cos x, and then cosec x, right? You can sort out yourself. Like example, I'm just giving, this is, if this is cosec x is equal to cosec y, so you can solve like this. So this is 1 upon sine x is equal to 1 upon sine y, and this is the same, this is sine y is equal to sine x. Here in sine x it was the sine x is equal to sine y, now it is sine y is equal to sine x. Thank you students. Next sessions we will solve some more problems. Thank you.